Hi children, welcome back. Today in this session we are going to discuss most important questions in Sandhi. Like inter first year, in second year also, in your exam paper question number 12 and 13 are related to Sandhi. Here Chatvari Sandhi Nama Nirdesha Sahitam Vighatayata. Divide the word and write the Sandhi name, that is for 8 marks. And Chatvari is Nama Nirdesha Sahitam Sandhatta. Add the word and write the Sandhi name. This is also for 8 marks. Okay. So total 16 marks weightage for the Sandhis in your exam paper. In this Sandhis, first we will see Shutva Sandhi. Here first word Ramas Chinoti. First one is Ramas Chinoti. In this Ramas, the word ended with, first word ended with Sa. Second word is started with Chavarga letter. Okay. Then in the place of Sa, which change occurred here? We got Sha. Okay. In the place of Sa, we got Sha. Similarly, Haris Shete. Here also the word ended with Sa. Second word started with Sha. Then also we got in the place of Sa, Sha only. Okay. That means what did you understand here? If the word ends with Sa, second word if it starts with Chavarga, means out of 5 letters any letter, or Sha, then the Sa will be changed it into Sha. Okay. And second one, Sarat Chandraha. The word ended with Ta. Okay. And second word started with Chavarga. Then what change occurred here? In the place of Ta, we got Cha. Understood? Here you got Sarat Chandraha. One Cha is here, one in the replacement of the Ta. So Sarat Chandraha you got. Again, Sad Janaha. Here the first word ended with the. And second word started with Janaha Chavarga letter. Okay. Now here, what did you get? Again, in the place of the, we got Ja. Sajjanaha we got. So here, this is Tavarga's third letter. So, in the place of Tavarga third letter, we got Chavarga's third letter. Here, in the place of Tavarga's first letter, we got Chavarga's first letter. Understood? Again, next one, Areen Jayati. In this, the word ended with Na. That means Tavarga's fifth letter. Jayati here is there, and it means Chavarga letter is there. Then in the place of Na, we got Nya. That means in the Tavarga's fifth letter place, we wrote Chavarga's fifth letter. That means here in this Shutva Sandhi, we are replacing Sa with Sha and Tavarga's letters with Chavarga's letters. Understood? Okay. Then Tavarga's second letter, if it is there as a first word's last letter, then in the place of Tha, we will get Cha. And if Tavarga's fourth letter is there here as a first word's last letter Dha, then in the place of Dha, what we will get? Ja. Because Chavarga's fourth letter. Understood? Now we will see the next Sandhi, Shtutva Sandhi. Here there is no much difference between the Shtutva Sandhi and Shtutva Sandhi. So, in Shtutva Sandhi, we are replacing the letters Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. Right? With what? Tavarga with Chavarga there in Shtutva Sandhi. Here, Tavarga letters only will be replaced with Tavarga. That is the difference. So, in the place of Ta, Ta will come. In the place of Tha, Tha will come. In the place of the Da, in the place of the Dha, in the place of Na, Na. And in Shtutva Sandhi, in the place of Sa, we are writing Sha. But here, in the place of Sa, we will write Sha. That's it. That is the difference between Shtutva and Shtutva. Here you can see that first word Ramas, here Tikate. Here the word ended with Sa. Here Tavarga letter is there. In the place of Sa, we got Sha. Ramas Tikate. Next one, here you can see that Ramas Shashtaha. Here first word ended with Sa. Second word started with Sha. Then in the place of Sa, we got Sha. Here also we got Sha. So Ramas Shashtaha. Again, Tat Tika. Here the word ended with Tavarga letter, first letter. Here Tavarga letter is there. In the place of first letter Ta, we need to change it to ta. So here tattika, here we got ta. Okay, tattika. Next, chekrinnudhaukase, this is tavarga's fifth letter. Then in the place of tavarga's fifth letter, tavarga's fifth letter, chekrindhaukase. Understood? Next one, ish, the word ended with sha. This word started with ta. So here the position wherever it is, that means first word's last letter and second word's first letter, we need to change the tavarga letter only. So we should change this letter into, this is first letter, so we need to write ta. So ish plus ta, ishtaha. Understood? Now next sandhi is jastva sandhi. While explaining this sandhi, I told you that this jastva sandhi will be formed with so many letters, considered so many letters in jastva sandhi rule. But in your exam you are getting each and every varga's first letter only. So if you observe these words, from these only you will get from in the exam. Here if you observe, kavarga's first letter, chavarga's first letter, like this they gave. Here what you need to do, here this varga's first letter, same varga's third letter. That means you need to change that ka to ga, cha to ja, ta to da, ta to da, pa to ba. That's it. Here vak is there na. If you got vak in exam, you need to change it vag. Then vag plus ishaha, you need to write vagishaha. Understood? And ach, it will be changed it into aj. So aj plus antaha, ajantaha. Okay, next shat. This will be changed it into that varga's third letter. Shad. Shadananaha. Sat dharmaha. Ta will be changed it into da. Sat dharmaha. Up. Pa will be changed it into ba. Abjam. Okay, understood? Here, Anunasika Sandhi, if you compare with Jastva Sandhi, what is the difference between these two? Both the Sandhis are ending with varga's first letter only. Actually, according to Sandhi rule, so many letters are considered in Anunasika Sandhi changes also. But in your exam, you are getting varga's first letter only here also, like Jastva Sandhi. Okay, then how it will be changed and what is the difference between the Jastva Sandhi and Anunasika Sandhi? If second word's first letter, any Anunasika letter, what is the meaning of Anunasika letter means? Varga's fifth letters are called Anunasikas. Nga, Nya, Na, Na, Ma. Any of these letters is there as a Varga's first letter. Then this Varga's first letter will be changed it into that Varga's, given letters Varga's fifth letter. That means here Ka is there, Vak. Here Ma is there. This Ma is Anunasika letter. So here this also will be changed it into this Varga's fifth letter, means Kavarga's fifth letter, it will be changed it into Vangmayam. Here Shat Masaha. What is the difference between Jastva Sandhi and here? There, except this Anunasika letter, any letter will be there as a second word first letter. Here only Anunasika letter if it is there, then you need to change it into fifth letter. Here Shat, Tavarga's fifth letter, Shan Masaha. Jagattu Nadaha, this is Varga's fifth letter. Here Tavarga's fifth letter will come Jagannathaha. Here this is Jagannatha. Kakuppu Neta, here the Varga's first letter, here Varga's fifth letter. So this Varga's fifth letter, Kakum Neta, Papa Babhamma Na will come. Okay, Kakum Neta, here you can see. Chit plus Mayam, here Ta is there, Tavarga's letter is there, here Ma. Pavarga's fifth letter. Here in the place of Tavarga, you will get Tavarga's fifth letter, Chinmayam. Here you got Chinmayam. Understood? Now in this, different types of Visarga Sandhis we are going to see. That means Visarga will be changed it into different letters. First one, here Sivaha Aham is there. Now here you got Sivo. Aham in the place of A, we got this symbol. This is called Avagrahaha. Again Ramaha Ayam. Here this is also ended with Visarga and it changed it into Ramo. Here Sivaha changed it into Sivo. Here Ramaha changed it into Ramo. Here next word started with A. So here this A is changed as a Avagraha symbol. Okay. These two are called Uttvam. In Visarga, Uttvam. Okay. Again, then if you see this, Manorathaha, Manaha Rathaha, here also Visarga with the first word ended with Visarga, second word started with Ra, Manorathaha, then also here we got Manoratha, this is also related to Uttvam. Okay, then here the word Namaha ended with Visarga and second word started with Ta. So here we got Namaste. In the place of Visarga we got Sa. This is Sattvam. Okay. Next, here Munihi Ayam. The word ended with Visarga and second word started with A. And here the word ended with Dhanuhu Visarga and second word started with V. Okay. Then here these two also we got Munihi Ayam, Munirayam, Dhanuhu Vidya, Dhanur Vidya. Here in the place of Visarga we got Ra. For these two in the place of Visarga we got Ra. So these are called Ratvam. In your Sanskrit grammar series, if you observe these Uttvam, Sattvam, Ratvam, if these Sandhis if you see, you can understand easily how these changes occurred. Okay. Another type of Visarga Sandhi. Here if you see the word Balaha, word ended with Visarga, second word started with Ka. Okay. By adding these two, did you get any change? No. Here just we removed plus and we wrote Balak Karoti. This the word remaining same only, no change occurred. And again Ramaha Khadati. Here you see the first word ended with Visarga, second word started with Kha. Then also no change occurred. Here we just removed the plus. That means no change occurred by adding words also. So here what did you observe? The first word if it ends with Visarga and second word if it starts with Ka or Kha, then no change occurs. Just if you are adding, you just remove the plus and write it. If you are dividing the word, you just add the plus in between the words and write it. That's it. Similarly, Pachakaha, here the word ended with Visarga and second word Pachati started with Pa. First word ended with Visarga and second word started with Pa. Then also no change occurred, just we removed the plus. And Vrikshaha Phalati, the word ended with Visarga and second word started with Pa. So by this what did you understand? Not only Kakha, if second word starts with Papa also, no change occurs. Okay? Understood? Clear? Thank you.